Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that for loop, right? Now in this video, I'm going to discuss about another one that will be as a while loop. Okay, I make it as a while loop. So while loop and for loop, it will be just like that same. Only they have the different statement view. Better I want to show you that things with the live example. Right now for the decrement I remove it, and that is our incrementer. I have already discussed about that things with you. If you click as a save all, now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now display as a higher for the 5 time, right? Now I want to do the same thing with using that while loop. Then our structure will be little bit different, or rather than everything will be just like that same. So if you want to use that while loop, first of all here we have to use that as a while. First of all, I name it as a while keyword. So that is our while keyword, and here we have to do, before we add that our initialize value into the for each loop first bracket area. So here you have to initialize it outside of this while loop. That means outside of this our while keyword. First of all, here we have to initialize it. Okay, and then I initialize it. Then I set up how many times that this loop will be run, right? So that is our conditions. This condition, well, now we have to add it in here. Okay, into the while area here we have to add it. And after that, in our second bracket, that means in our curly bracket area, here we have to print that console mode. That will be just like that same. Here I name it as a hi Kazi. Okay, I name it as a Kazi. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. So now that will be the same, and after that here what exactly I have done that incremented operator rather than the decremented operator, right? So for in our while loop area, here we have to incremented or decremented after this our console. After this console, here we have to simply add it. So friend, that is the simple different statement for the while loop. I hope it's very much clear to you. So that is for the for loop, and that is for the while loop. And now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, you can see that is also the same as a hi Kazi 1, Kazi 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. Simply understand all that functionality. So that is a for loop. When you're working with this for loop, that will be just like that. And when you working with the while loop, our first initialize or index variable, here I pass one value, and then that is actually our condition, how many times this loop will be run, and that is our print area. And here after that console, here we have to add that our operator for the incremented or for the decremented. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. In our next video, I'm going to discuss about another loop, that is for the do while loop. Okay, how can working with this do while loop, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.